Hey, I really like my computer setup. I mean, I downloaded a whole bunch of themes, so yeah, well, they're actually called skins. And when I click properties, I'll click skin and show you guys some Linux, Kermit, Source, Ubuntu, CentOS, macOS 9, macOS X, Windows Classic, Windows 3.8X, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows XP Olive, Windows XP Silver, Royal, and XP Vista, which is Vista and XP. Windows XP and Windows Vista mix. I don't really like. I like that, but I really prefer this or Windows Vista. That's my choice. Yeah. And it's pretty cool. Well, anyways. Well, I'm gonna show you on Firefox. I'm gonna show you my website. Okay. Well, it's robert133.co.cc if you ever want to go there. And I'm going to have a store soon, which is robert133.co.cc. Anyways. But, yeah. Well, go there if you want to. Alright.